Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an MTP USB device failed to install error. This is device driver software was not successfully installed. Please consult your device manufacturer for assistance getting this device installed. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up File Explorer. So go ahead and just open up through the taskbar or you can search for it. So again, now that you have File Explorer open here, you want to go and select this PC on the left side. And now you want to go and select local disk where Windows is installed. So go ahead and double click on that. Double click on the Windows folder. And now you want to locate the INF folder. So double click on that. Locate a file named wpdmtp.inf. You can search for it up here, so let me just go ahead and start typing it in. So wpdmtp.inf. Go ahead and search for that. Should be a file in here with that name. You want to go ahead and right click on it, select show more options, and then select the install button. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And now that you're done that, go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And hopefully that has been able to resolve the problem. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.